Attention homebuyers, get ready to step inside your dream home at 19907 Northwest 67th Circle Court in beautiful Hialeah. Join us for an exclusive open house event and experience everything this stunning home has to offer. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a versatile den that gives this home a 4-bedroom feel, this move-in ready property is perfect for families and professionals alike. Enjoy a brand new roof, accordion shutters for added security and insurance savings, freshly painted interiors, modern vinyl flooring, and a chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances and plenty of storage space. Step outside to a private backyard, perfect for gatherings, and take advantage of the community's lake and park for a truly serene living experience. With a newer AC and water heater, this home is ready for you to move in and start making memories. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Stop by our open house and see for yourself why this home is the one for you. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact us today. We can't wait to welcome you home.